Xiaomi has introduced the Mijia 10kg ultra-slim washer-dryer on its YouPin platform. The appliance has a retail price of 1,999 yuan, $292, but is available at an introductory price of 1,599 yuan, $234. The washer-dryer has a slim profile with a depth of just 540 millimeters. Xiaomi designed the appliance to fit seamlessly into modern interiors, with a minimalist, flush body and a 15 mm installation gap that helps reduce dust accumulation. The machine uses a rotary knob control system paired with a flat panel interface for simple and intuitive operation. Xiaomi added a large 525 mm drum to the washer-dryer. The drum size ensures that fabrics move freely during the wash cycle, reducing wrinkles and improving fabric stretching. The machine features a wash ratio of 1.25, which exceeds standard benchmarks for efficiency. It uses a 3D water flow system that premixes detergent, penetrates fabrics deeply, and enhances rinsing to minimize residue. The machine supports 26 washing and drying programs tailored to different fabrics. It can handle delicate materials like silk and wool, along with more robust items like down jackets and outdoor wear. It also includes an intelligent wash mode that adjusts water levels, time, and energy consumption based on the load. Xiaomi equipped the washer-dryer with a higher flow drying system for rapid moisture removal while protecting delicate fabrics. It also includes a smart drying mode to prevent energy waste and material damage, steam sterilization to eliminate 99.999% of bacteria and viruses, a high-temperature drum cleaning system for hygiene, and a nano antibacterial door seal to resist mold and bacteria buildup. The washer-dryer connects to the HyperOS Connect, enabling remote control, wash progress monitoring, and scheduling via the Mijia app and XiaoAI voice commands. It also includes a 7-layer noise reduction system for quieter performance.